Have you ever felt like you're missing out on a key part of the English language? That's how many English learners feel when they encounter common idioms like the whole enchilada. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be using this idiom like a pro. Let me start with a funny story. My friend Samantha was invited to a Mexican restaurant for the first time. When the waiter asked if she wanted the whole enchilada, she thought he was offering her a giant enchilada and said, "No, thanks. I couldn't possibly eat that much." So, what does the whole enchilada actually mean? It's an idiom that refers to the complete, full, or total package. Let me show you how to use it correctly. My friend Samantha decided to try the whole enchilada. She ordered the full Mexican feast, complete with rice, beans, guacamole, and of course, enchiladas. She was so satisfied after her meal, she said. "That was the whole enchilada. I couldn't have asked for a better dining experience." Here are some examples of how to use the whole enchilada in different contexts. In a casual conversation, "I'm not just getting a burger, I want the whole enchilada, fries, a milkshake, the works." In a formal setting, the project proposal includes the whole enchilada, market research, financial projections, and a detailed implementation plan. To help you remember the meaning of the whole enchilada, think of a delicious Mexican feast with all the trimmings. The whole enchilada is the complete, full experience, just like that satisfying meal. Did you know the phrase "the whole enchilada" originated in the United States and reflects the influence of Mexican culture? It's a great example of how language evolves to reflect cultural influences and experiences. Some similar idioms to the whole enchilada include the full Monty and the entire package. On the other hand, just the tip of the iceberg or the bare bones would be the opposite of the whole enchilada. And related idioms like the full 9 yards or the whole shebang also convey the idea of completeness. For example, I could say, "I'm not just getting a burger, I want the whole enchilada." Or I could rephrase it as, "I want the complete meal, with all the sides and extras." I remember when my coworker, Maria, used the whole enchilada perfectly in a meeting. She was presenting our company's new product line and said, "This launch includes the whole enchilada, the new designs, marketing campaign, and distribution plan." It really drove home the comprehensive nature of our efforts. One common mistake is using the whole enchilada incorrectly as a singular noun. Like, "I want a whole enchilada." The proper usage is to treat it as a complete phrase, such as "I want the whole enchilada." Another mistake is thinking it refers to a literal enchilada, which we saw in the earlier story about Samantha. Let's test your understanding with a few questions. 1. What is the meaning of the whole enchilada? A. A giant enchilada. B. The complete, full, or total package. C. A Mexican dish with extra toppings. Answer, B. 2. Which of these is a synonym for the whole enchilada? A. The full Monty. B. Just the tip of the iceberg. C. The bare bones. Answer, A. 3. Which of these is an antonym for the whole enchilada? A. The entire package. B. The full 9 yards. C. The bare minimum. Answer, C. In summary, the whole enchilada is a common English idiom that refers to the complete, full, or total package. Understanding this idiom can help you communicate more effectively and understand cultural references in the English language. Now it's your turn. Share an example sentence using the whole enchilada in the comments below. And be sure to like and subscribe for more idiom explanations to improve your English skills.